guys, it's Carlos. Today I am really, really sick today, but I have a new dog, so let's show you. So this is her. Her name is Jazz. Yep, pretty little dog. She's chewing on one of my little towels, my brother towel. I don't care. She is 2 years old. She really loves this towel. We bought her a new color. She went outside and dug because it rained today. So yeah. She does it. Hey, no. Oh shoot, look at that. Oh, you guys. Look at this soap that she made. Jazz, what are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that. It's a really big hole. So yeah.